Hey, have you ever thought about how amazing it would be to make money even while you sleep? Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you there's a super simple way to get there? It's called the Rule of 72. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, you're going to learn how a small habit today can completely transform your financial future. Ready to level up your game? Let's dive in. Scene transition. Bright graphics illustrating the Rule of 72. So what exactly is the Rule of 72? Don't worry, it's not rocket science. The Rule of 72 is a simple formula that helps you figure out how long it will take to double your money based on an annual interest rate. Here's how it works. You take the number 72 and divide it by the annual rate of return. Boom! The result is the approximate number of years it'll take for your investment to double. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're investing at a 10% annual return. Just divide 72 by 10, that's 7.2 years. Yup, in just over 7 years, your money doubles. Scene, visual of a growing graph, upbeat music builds. Now think about this. If you invest $100 every month at a 10% return, that's not just doubling once. Over time, your money compounds, meaning you're earning returns on your returns. That's where the magic happens. I know what you're thinking. Okay, but how do I even start? Great question. First, find a reliable investment platform. These days, there are tons of apps that make investing super easy. Then, set a goal. Maybe it's to buy a house, travel the world, or just have financial freedom. Whatever it is, make it your driving force. Next, commit to consistency. Even if it's just $100 a month, stick to it. Over time, you'll see your money grow in ways you never imagined. Remember, the earlier you start, the bigger the payoff. And here's a little tip. Focus on high-growth assets, but always diversify. Stocks, ETFs, or even index funds are great places to start. And don't forget to reinvest those dividends. That's how you maximize your returns. Closing scene. Empowering visuals of young people enjoying life. Relaxing music fades in. So what are you waiting for? The Rule of 72 is your shortcut to understanding how money grows. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your financial future takes off. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Let's make your money work for you. See you in the next one.